Introducing solenoid valves, the heartbeat of pneumatic systems. Solenoid valves are essential components in pneumatic systems, controlling the flow of compressed air. They work by using an electromagnetic coil to actuate a valve, allowing or blocking the flow of air. Key features and benefits. 1. Reliability. Solenoid valves are known for their durability and long lifespan. 2. Efficiency. They provide precise control over airflow, minimizing energy waste. 3. Versatility, available in various sizes, configurations, and materials to suit different applications. 4. Quick response. Solenoid valves offer rapid on-off switching times. Choosing the right solenoid valve. When selecting a solenoid valve, consider factors such as 1. Flow rate. Determine the required volume of airflow. 2. Pressure rating. Ensure the valve can withstand the operating pressure. 3. Voltage. Choose a valve compatible with your power supply. 4. Mounting type. Select a mounting style that fits your system's configuration. 5. Media compatibility. Verify if the valve is suitable for the specific gases or liquids you'll be using. Need help selecting the perfect solenoid valve for your application? Contact our experts today.